We are getting ready to make a fire ring insert here. We've got a 30-inch piece of 14 gauge steel cut out on the CNC table, and now we have this piece of 3.5-inch 14 gauge that cut out on the CNC table as well, that we are just clamping and wrapping around the piece. And then I'm going to use the welder and I'm going to come in here and tack it. So we've got 3 tacks right there. So now we can come and take off this first set of clamps, and the metal will hold itself in place, and you can just repeat this process. As you get closer to the end of the piece, you start running out of leverage to get that last little piece in there. And you can see over here on this side, we've got that piece, and again, we're running into the issue that on the end it's getting really tough. So what I'm gonna do is just put a little pry bar in here, get the welder ready. When I'm ready to weld, I just push it over just like so. Now as we join up this next piece, we want as nice of a joint here as we can possibly get. So instead of trying to make it immediately follow the contour, what we're going to do is take a look at the angle that is coming around and just shoot this piece straight and just match it up like that to begin with, get it tacked in place, and then once this end's secure, then we can move this piece around, radius it around the edge, and manipulate it, and we'll still have a really nice joint there. So I made up these handles real quick in the computer, cut them out on the plasma. Here they are. Around a couple spots to get some nice welds. Put one in here, put one over here. That way we can lift it up and out of the fire. And there it is, right there. Got them molded on. Now we just got to go out and test it. Just like that, it fits in there. Fire ring goes on top, and then in here, and the pavers, which are down below, don't get any debris on them. And then when that gets full of ash, we can just lift it out and dump it. We're ready for a fire.